This is our quick lesson on how to lay out a rafter. We got our 2-foot square here, and we got a 4-pitch roof. So that's 4 inches of rise for a foot of run. So our square is 2 feet this way, so we double that. On this end we put it on 8, and this is our cut for our up against the beam. There's our 2 feet. Put it on 8 again. 4. That's 4 feet so far. And another 8 here. And then another 24. And another 8. Another 24. 2, 4, 6, 8. Our building is 20 feet wide. So half of that is 10. That's 10 feet right there. And then we deduct the 3/4 inch for the thickness of the beam. Okay? So that's that right here. Now we put it on 8 again, and that's going to get us where we want to make our cut for our bird's mouth, which I got an example of right here. But our cut's going to be here, and we want in this case we want 1.5 inches out. We put it on the 8, 24. That's 1.5 inches out, and that's what we have for a building that's 20 feet wide with a 4-pitch. Very simple. This is our example of how that cut will look. It should come right out.
All right, so you got the lesson today from Dean. Hit that subscribe button and watch the rest of the videos at Proden the Project Specialist.